said the cat. They like to fly kites, said the cat in the hat. No, not in the house, said the fish in the pot. They should not fly kites in a house. They should not. All the things they will bump, all the things they will hit. Oh, I do not like it, not one little bit. Then Sally and I saw them run down the hall. We saw those two things bump their kites on the wall. Bump, thump, thump, bump. Down the wall in the hall. The thing one, thing two, and thing one, they ran down on the string of one kite. We saw Mother's new gown, her gown with dots that are pink, white, and red. Then we saw one kite bump on the head of her bed. Then our fish said, "Look, look!" And our fish shook with fear. "Your mother is on her way home. Do you hear? Oh, what will she do to us? What will she say? What will she say? Oh, she will not like it to find us this way." "So do something fast," said the fish. "Do you hear? I saw her. Your mother is near. So, as fast as you can, think of something to do. You will have to get rid of thing one and thing two." This